guys, just moved to this closer mic system, so that's pretty interesting. And I also added this vintage delay to the Behringer Model D. That's what's new today. It inspired a lot of stuff yesterday. Timer has now been started, but check this out, mainly inspired by this delay. I need to come up with some new lyrics. I thought. Wait. Yeah. Not known in the most of ways. I had to look the other way. I let the stars shine. You had me all in your mind. All the time I was yours and you were mine. I thought you'd follow all the days and nights though lonely in the most of ways. I had to think of you in that way. I just like those sounds so much. So maybe I'll just continue on with something really similar tomorrow, because that's really cool.